travels, Disney theme parks, Hollywood Studios, and Magic Kingdom. The first time going back to Disney theme parks in 2.5 years was a very great experience. We started at Hollywood Studios. Some of the best rides there are Tower of Terror, Rocket and Roller Coaster, and the Star Wars rides. Most of this stuff I filmed here is from Galaxy's Edge because that's where we had a break so I could take a lot of pictures. Instead of going on Rise of Resistance, we got out of that line so we could go on Smuggler's Run and Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. 2 new rides to us.
Extract the transmission logs from that data pack. Yes, sir.
Green milk from Galaxy's Edge has a Gatorade fruit taste, better than the blue milk is what I've heard. Early entry to the parks for Disney Resort guests is 1 hour before the park opens, but please get there 30 minutes before that because many people stay at Disney Resorts and want to get that early entry. The new Genie Plus service, which replaced FastPass, is $15 per person per day, and we were able to get 7 rides out of it. You can purchase select rides for $8 to $15 per ride, but that is only worth it for Rise of Resistance, which has a standby time of 2 to 3 hours normally. 2 o'clock it is time for park hopping, so we took our car over to the Transportation and Ticket Center, then used the express monorail to get to Magic Kingdom. Personally, my favorite rides in Magic Kingdom are all 3 mountain rides, Splash, Space, and Big Thunder. I also recommend the People Mover, which gives you a good view of the park, and Tomorrowland. The best highlight of Magic Kingdom has to be getting stuck on Splash Mountain. Although Disney's old fireworks show Happily Ever After is gone, which is the one I grew up watching, this one, Enchantment, is still good for the 50th anniversary, and it's honestly better than Happily Ever After. After the fireworks, wait times drop dramatically, so if you want to go on a ride that would normally have a high wait, go on it after the fireworks. In between the parks, we went to McDonald's for lunch, the one in Disney World, of course. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and click the bell so you don't miss out on any new travels.